Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Dam Creations. My name is Dipali and today we will do the unboxing and review of this particular product, which is Richfield Naturals Calendula Anti-Acne Pack here. So 2 weeks back I had also done the unboxing and review of the same brand Richfield Naturals Calendula Anti-Acne Soap. You can, if you want, you can go and watch that video on our channel. So now coming on to this particular product, this is the box that we get when we buy this Richfield Calendula Anti-Acne Pack. It's a box packaging which contains the benefits, direction for use, the composition, etc. It is manufactured in Solan, Himachal Pradesh, India. Now let me just open it and show to you. Okay, so this is the packaging, and this is what you get inside. It's a small jar which is green in color from the outside. It comes in a packing of 50 gram and the MRP is 199 rupees. The manufacturing date is Feb 20 and expiry is Jan 23. So in all it has a shelf life of 3 years. Coming on to the ingredients, well, it contains multani mitti, which is beneficial for your skin. It contains neem, which is an anti-acne ingredient, and it also helps to reduce your hyperpigmentation and the acne marks. The base contains light kaolin, which cleanses your skin and absorbs the extra oil. Well, a bad part is that it also contains sodium propyl paraben. So if you are somebody who is looking for a paraben free product, this is not the one for you. So let me just open it and show you how it looks and also how to apply. So basically you have to apply it once a week or twice a week. Let me show you. So I'm taking a bowl and just taking a little bit of this product. Okay, so maybe 1.5 teaspoon. Okay. So now this comes in a packing of 50 gram and per application I think you will be using somewhere around this much of quantity. So it should last you for around maybe 10 to 15 uses. So around 15 to 20 rupees per application. That's about the cost. Now I'll just mix a little water. And gently mix it. Alright, so coming to the fragrance, it has got very mild fragrance, so which is good. Lovely fragrance. Yeah, it's lovely. Okay, now that I've mixed it up properly, you can either use a brush to apply on your face, or you can use it using your fingers. I personally prefer using my fingers. Well, right now I don't have anything on my face, so I'll just wipe off so that if there is any sweat. Okay, so I'll show you how to apply this. So take good quantity. And apply it all over your chin, your cheeks, the forehead, your nose, just avoid applying it in your eye area and the under eye area. this is I've almost covered my face. If you have any acne, apply properly over there. Okay, you can also apply it to your neck. So here I am almost done. Alright. Now this has to be left for around 20 minutes so that it dries up. So see you soon. Alright guys, so now that 20 minutes are over, so let me clean this and show to you. So I have taken cotton pad and let me just dip it in water. Okay, remove the extra water. Now I'll just clean this. I'll remove this face pack. Alright, so I think it has properly got removed now. Okay, let me just wipe it off using a towel. Alright, so my skin feels good. Okay, so if I have to talk about the effect, there was a little acne that I had here which has now reduced, so just in one application. So I think this has really worked on my acne, and just in one application the pimple has got reduced. So I think if I apply it on the pimple and leave it overnight, it will completely vanish off. In all, I like the product. My skin feels good. Now coming on to the pros and the cons, I must say that the first pro is that it really stands up to its claim. It is anti-acne and it really works to remove your acne. Well, for the pigmentation, I have to apply it over a period of time, and then only I can see the effect. The second advantage is that it really has cleansed my skin and my skin looks brightened up. Third best part which I like is the packaging. It is very travel friendly, so if you want to travel, you easily can carry it in your bag. It's very nice, very travel friendly. Fourth thing is it is quite affordable, 199 rupees for 50 gram. I think as I told you, 15 to 20 rupees per application, so not bad. Coming on to the cons, the first thing is that it really dries up your skin. So if you have an oily or a combination skin, it really works wonders for you. But if you have dry skin, you have to be careful because it will really dry up your skin. So you would need to apply some good moisturizer after using this product. The second negative thing is that it contains paraben. So if you are looking for a paraben free product, this is not something you have to use. Third thing, a negative thing is that it might not be available at your at your nearest beauty store, so or a medical wellness store or somewhere. So you really have to search for this product. You can either go to any Richfield Trichology clinic, or these days it's also available at Nykaa, Purple and the other apps. So that's about it. This is the product. That's about it. So I hope you liked the video, and in case you do have any questions, please feel free to comment in the comment box below, and please do like and share, subscribe our channel. Thank you.